In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox two-step verification is not sending the email. Now, the first thing you should try is simply just wait a few minutes, because sometimes it takes like 5 or 10 minutes. Now, if that doesn't work, you should try and resend it. So just enter it again and see if it sends one. Check your spam mail and check your junk mail and all the other mail stuff that you have, because sometimes it might end up there. Now, if none of those work, what you should try and do is try and use the Microsoft Store version of the Roblox. So go to Microsoft Store, download Roblox from in there and see if that works. If you already downloaded it from in there, try and go to the website, the Roblox website, and download the game from in there. So just try and use the different one. Now, if none of those work, you should head over to Google right here, search for Roblox support, come in here, and you will contact them. And you're just gonna fill out the details and tell them what happens. If you do that and you type your email, they're gonna send you a support email instead of the verification code, and they can help you in that way. Now, I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.